Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use the Sora AI video generator. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Sora and hit enter. Among the results, you will find the official website for Sora by OpenAI. Click on it to navigate to the site. Once you have landed on the Sora website, take a moment to explore. You will notice a variety of features and tools available, but our focus today is on the innovative AI video generator. This tool allows you to create stunning videos simply by providing a prompt. Now, before we proceed further, it is essential to mention that the availability of this feature may vary. As of now, you might not see an option to use the AI video generator on the website. Why? Well, that's because the Sora team is actively working on perfecting this tool. It is still in development, but fear not. It won't be long before it is ready for public use. If you delve a bit deeper into the website, you will notice that Sora is already making strides in certain areas. For example, it is becoming available to red teamers, empowering them to assess critical areas for harm or risk. This indicates the powerful potential of Sora beyond just video generation. So while we eagerly wait the full release of the AI video generator, it is clear that Sora is already making waves in various domains. The team is dedicated to ensuring that when the tool is finally available for personal use, it is nothing short of exceptional. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.